Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Honda CRF250L Dual Sport. Single cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This is the one that started it all for the young, small dual sports. Come by, check it out. This one's in fantastic condition. Only has 6,000 miles on the odometer. 2016. A service, hand guards. It's got some aggressive pattern, street legal tires. Price to sell just $42.99. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Make your dual sport dreams come true. This beautiful 2016 CRF250. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.